welcome back to my channel. So today we're reviewing another food item. Today we'll be reviewing a spinach, cream cheese, and feta pastry puff. I really hope that you guys enjoy this food review. Pastry puffs were actually very good. I think these are definitely good go-to appetizers or even like a great snack. For 3 pieces, it's 260 calories. Not so bad for it to have cheese in it. Layer a pan down. Go ahead and put your pan or any cooking spray that you may have, and put your pastry puffs on there. Be sure to keep an eye on it because you do not want the pastry puffs to burn. I did see a little bit of crispiness in my pastry puffs. I cooked them for about 18 to 20 minutes on 400 degrees Fahrenheit per package as it instructed. And of course, I let it sit for a few minutes, and then I went ahead and dived in. It was delicious. I thoroughly enjoyed it. I feel like it's very well seasoned, no sauce necessary. It's very flaky and juicy in the middle. So it cooked within, I would say, 19 minutes, no longer than 20 minutes, it cooked. No need to put it on broil. I just feel like because the pastry puff is very thin, it cooked fast. Had it been a little bit thicker, it would have taken longer to cook. I thoroughly enjoyed it. Like I said, it was very juicy. And I hope you guys really enjoy these videos. I'll see you all next time. Bye.